How to put smart filters on your Photoshop document. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the filters option and we are going to put a filter over here. Let's say we are going to go with iris blur. So this is the iris blur, so I am going to go and hit OK with it. So this is already selected and OK. So we have this Gaussian iris blur over here. But if I save this document right now, I cannot change it after that, but I will be stuck with this picture. So if I don't want to do this on my picture or document, then I can do is I can go to the filters option and then go to the convert to smart filters. And as I go to convert to smart filters, then I can go and add the blur, and as I have now entered the blur over here, I can also enter any other layer. Let's suppose say I can go to blur and go to Gaussian blur and okay, so now it's Gaussian blurred, but I can change it whenever I want because of this. It's a smart filter and I can put away the Gaussian blur by clicking it over here. This is how I can put on and put away smart filters on Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.